In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone inside your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so from here, we need to open up our Phantom wallet and to log in or authenticate. So now I'm inside my Phantom wallet. And before you can follow someone inside your Phantom wallet, you need to create your own username, so a unique identity for your wallet. So go ahead and click onto this. If you haven't, just fast forward about 20 or 30 seconds and we'll take you to the next step. All right, so we need to create a unique username. So I'm going to click on continue. And now I'm going to put in my username here. So Tutorial Wiz. And then from here, I want to go ahead and click on continue. And then I need to choose an avatar. So I'm just going to put a random avatar in like so. And then if we scroll down, I'm going to click on to save. And now from here, we need to sign into your Phantom account anonymously with a signature. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And then I need to link my wallets. So choose the wallets that show up on other devices with your username. So I'm going to click continue again. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on create username. And then after that, it will say hi at Tutorial Wiz. So we created our username for our Phantom wallet. So from here, we need to go ahead and click on to done. And now we can start following people. So in order to do that, once you're on your home page here, we need to click on the magnifying glass on the top right hand corner. And then for this demonstration, I'm just going to search for myself. If I can spell my name correctly. There it is there. So users is at Tutorial Wiz with 0 followers. So if I click into that, I can go ahead and click on follow, but because it's myself, it's not going to allow me to follow myself.